Hello viewers, Indica Global Services is a Punjab government recognized organization which is providing IELTS and PTE coaching. The PTE trainer from this organization shall give you some salient features of PTE exam.
So hello everybody, today I am going to share a video regarding PTE, that is Pearson Test of English. In this video I would like to tell you that what are the advantages of doing PT, and we all know that most of the students did not know more about PT, so it should be good for you to know that PT is also accepted by the Canada. So starting with the sections of PT, like IELTS, there are four sections in PT also. The first one speaking, the reading, and then listening. Speaking and writing section arrive together. Like it is 77 to 93 minutes, and then reading, which is 32 to 41 minutes, and then listening. Firstly, it would be good to know that first section it also includes introduction, in which you have to describe yourself within 30 seconds. So moving further, the students who are not able to pass out in IELTS can also prefer PT because this is the easiest way to pass out, and we all know that Canada is also preferring PT. So starting with the sections, the part 1 is speaking and writing, in which the following sections which included our personal introduction, as I told you earlier, it is of 1 minute or 30 seconds, and then read alouds, repeat sentences. Further, I will tell you what is included in these sections. So the next thing is describe image, which are 6 to 7 questions, read a lecture, answer short questions, which are generally the GK questions. Then moving forward to the writing section is about summarized written text, which is 2 or 3 and includes 10 minutes. Essay. Then moving further to the part 2 is of reading. It is of multiple choice single answer, multiple choice many answers, which include more than one answer, but the thing is that it includes negative marking also. The next is reorder paragraphs, fill in the blanks, and fill in the blanks, which is drag and select. The listening part includes summarize spoken text, multiple choice questions, fill in the blanks, highlight the correct summary, multiple choice questions, which includes many answers, select missing words, highlight incorrect summary, and highlight incorrect words. The last one is write from dictation. Okay, so firstly I would like to tell you about the speaking test, like the speaking section. The thing is that this is the most easiest section which is scoring. Like we all know that most of the students lose their marks while doing reading. So the advantage of doing speaking better is that you can also get marks from speaking to reading. Like your marks will be added from speaking to reading. So starting with the test, like speaking section, the very first question is of read alouds. In this, what you have to do, the time will be given, and when the time finishes, the recording will start, and you have to repeat the exact same sentence written here from starting to the ending. This is the advantage of speaking. This you have to just see and copy the same thing and then repeat when the recording will start. I would also like to tell you that some skills are also needed while speaking. The very four important skills, which are fluency. You have to move fluently and speak it in a fluency. The second thing, vocabulary, grammar, and the pronunciation, the most important thing that matters in speaking, but it is the easiest thing to do. So the next question is repeat sentences. Computer will repeat a sentence and you have to repeat the exact sentence, and that will be recorded here. This includes 4 to 5 words, and it is also an easy section to do. The next question is of describe image, in which you have to describe the image other like after noticing what is written in the image. Like it is simple. I will provide you a format and it will be easier for you to learn or while starting. Like you have to repeat, the image shows the information about percentage of world population by region, and afterwards you have to just think about it and just speak that what is given in the image. Fine. The images will be like these. You have to describe a pie chart like this and so on. Next question will be a lecture. In this, the computer will repeat a lecture. You have to write down on your notepad. You will provided a notepad so that it would be easier for you to remember what the speaker told you. And when the recording will finish, you will be given 7 to 8 seconds to prepare for what you have listened in the recording, and then you have to repeat the same sentences. It would be easy for you because the format will also be provided. The lectures are 2 to 3 lectures. And moving further, the last question of speaking is of the general knowledge questions, which are basically GK questions. These are easier. You have to just describe it in a one word. A question will be repeated and you have to just describe the answer in one word. So not taking the lectures too long. Thanks for watching the video, and for further information you can contact or know more about PTE, because I should tell you that this is the easiest way to apply for Canada.